Good day, everyone. Today we want to look into the upload documents. So basically, what we're going to cover is configuration of the documents that MFI may need their clients to upload during loan application or registration, as well as configuring which type of documents for a certain loan type. So all that is going to be covered in today's tutorial. To begin with, on the main dashboard of LAPP, we have the module labeled upload documents. This is where we are going to set up all the documents that are needed for a particular organization, particular MFI or a SACCOS. So let's head in there and do the exercise. So on this login page, we are going to select other, and then we are going to type in the administrator's credentials in order for us to be able to access the portal. So this will be the page or the interface for the documents uploads configuration. In here, we'll be able to configure up to 10 documents, which is the maximum that is supported by LAPP. So currently we have the payslip, the ID card, facial picture, signature picture, water bill, proof of residence, as well as an invoice. So these are 7 documents needed by, maybe in this scenario, which we are using right now. So if a company or an MFI wish to have another document aside from these 7 configured documents, they can go ahead to configure it on picture number 8, and then when they click on edit, they give it the name. Maybe this is the bank statement, and then give it a small description, statement for your, or let's say from your bank, like that. So some of the settings that we need to look into is actually to say, will this document or will this KYC be mandatory for approval? And I'm sure this simply means that a loan cannot be approved if this document is missing. So if that's the case, we go ahead and check this checkbox. And then below, there's also another setting that says, do we want the client to be able to upload another KYC or another statement, in this case, for this document type that we are configuring after the loan has been approved. So if you do not want client to be able to upload any document of this KYC we are configuring after an approval, then we are going to check this checkbox such that the system will disable the client to do that. But if you actually allow your clients to be able to update their bank statement, maybe with a new one, even after the loan has been approved, you can leave it like this. So the last part we need to look at is the number of days that must pass before the KYC expires. So by default, the system comes with a -1, which means it will not expire. A good example is an ID picture. We all know that when you reach the age of 16, you get your ID picture, which you will use for the rest of your life until maybe you die, or if you lose another one, then you get to get the other one, or to just leave it like that. So documents like the payslip, normally it's actually good practice to make them expire after 30 days, such that for every month end, the clients get to come with a new, an updated actually, or a recent payslip for you to capture. So this will be the configuration here. I think for the bank statement, we'll need to put it for maybe 25 days, or rather let's say 30 days. By this, in summary, we've given the name of the KYC that we need, and then we've assigned it to be a mandatory KYC, such that if the bank statement is missing from this, for all the loan applications that are going to be applied, which are associated with this bank statement, they are not going to be approved, because this KYC will be missing. and we have also let our clients to be able to upload or to update their KYC even after their loan has been approved. And then lastly, the bank statement will expire after 30 days. So this is it. We're going to go ahead and save, and then we can see that we have our bank statement here at picture 8 as I have highlighted there. So this is simply how we configure the KYC documents on Iris LAPP. Now we are not yet done. What we are now supposed to do is we want to actually go to our loan products and then associate or assign certain KYC documents required for that particular loan type. In essence, I'm saying a company may have 3 loan types, to which the first loan type could only require the ID picture and maybe the bank statement. And then the second loan type may need only proof of residence as well as an ID. So in this example that I've given you, we've noticed that these 2 loan types require different documents. So this is where we now go to the configuration module. We go to the loan settings. Under loan settings, we go to the loan product types. Here on this loan product types, we'll get the list of all the configured loan products that a company has. So from here, we are going to look at this LT18, which is the SSB loans, as well as the LT53, which is the USD loan type. So for these SSB loans, let's go ahead and click on actions. We go to documents, and then this one, we want to make sure that everyone who applies for this loan type, they get to upload their payslip as already marked there, ID picture of themselves, and then the water bill, like that. So these are the required KYC documents for this loan type. These 3 only out of the 8 that we have pre-configured back in that upload documents module. So from here, remember, we want to configure 2 loan types for our documents. Now we go back to the loan types list, and then we go to our USD loan type here. We click on actions, go to documents, and then this one does not have any documents associated with it. So what we need as a company, or what a company may need, is these USD loans, some do not have pay slips, so obviously they only need maybe an ID, facial picture, as well as maybe bank statement in this case. And then we go ahead and save. So by so doing, we have configured our KYC as well as associated them with respective loan products. This is it for today. Thank you for listening.